Lauren in the car down there. Some fresh powder up on the mountains right now. And that little guy out there is Mount Sunday, where Edoras was built, which is where we're headed right now. Well, now we're finally walking to Mount Sunday, otherwise known as Edoras, after Lauren's epic car videos of our drive up here. And we're in the valley. And some of these mountains have snow on them. Swing bridge. Mount Sunday. Hiking up to the top now. We're getting so close. Whew. Just walked through a herd of cows. We are at the top of Mount Sunday. I believe the Great Hall would have been up there at the highest point where those people are. And then there's some other buildings that would have been around here. And either we just walked up the main part, or it comes up from here. I can't remember. But there's some cows up here, and their poop. There's a cow. Just chewing on stuff. And there's another cow.
They're babies.
And another baby cow. Lauren really wants to pet it.
I do.
At the highest point of Mount Sunday now. Just got down from Mount Sunday. We're walking through this herd of cattle here. They don't seem to like our presence. That one's mad. I think it's speciest. It hates other species.
That's the one that was eating a bone.
I think so. It looks like it's coming after us. Uh-oh. It is. It's still following us. It stopped. We almost got attacked by a cow. That's nuts. I got that on camera. Swing bridge home.